Hello, I would like to give you some tips and hints for installing the Wingman Office. There are some tricks and I would like to share that with you. So I have this more than 20 years old CT on my own, and I overhaul the instrument panel like this, and there is an iPad running in there, and the iPad has got a split screen, and the Office is running in one of the splits, and the Sky Demon is running in the other half. And actually I'm running this is a 912 engine, but I'm running this in a two-cylinder mode. The most forward and the most rear cylinder is measured. Hopefully everything is in between. Compared to that, with an original 912 steam gauge instrumentation, this is already a lot more than the original one. Okay, and I had a trouble with the RPM counter. Now let's see how the RPM counter is solved. I have an in-flight adjustable prop, and what I did is actually I installed the Hall sensor and also a magnet here. So just stick on the magnet. So this is going to give the RPM, and of course it's divided by 2.23 or 2.37 if I believe with the reduction drive, and then I will get a calculated engine RPM. Anyhow, I had a problem that this wire, which comes from the Hall sensor, was at the other side here and goes to the ignition boxes, and there are a bunch of ignition cable here, and this created such a noise that the reading of the RPM counter was really bad. So I took away all that wires from that side to this side, and actually I twisted a little bit the wires. So if you use this type of sensor, you better twist a couple of times the whole wire, so it became twisted, and it's much more resistant to pick up any other transient. Well, that's one of the tips. And here's a CHT sensor. It goes right under the plug. Here is an EGT sensor. It goes in there. There is an oil pressure transducer over there, and there is an oil heat temperature over there, and of course the PTO tube is also connected, so it can give you all the information. Everything is recorded. So when you go to the settings, you see that there is a log, and actually it's logging every data. So if you have a trouble, you can retrieve all the data. Well, this is about it. So have a nice day.